Hi, this is Motorola Moto G54 Power and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store app and in the search pool enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open button to open the app, click to OK to consent, and you could see here information about your battery temperature. In my case that's 26 degrees, and also we got here more information like the battery capacity, voltage, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.